Welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. And if this is your first time, welcome. Make sure you subscribe before you leave and click the bell. Check to make sure you're subscribed. If you have already subscribed in the past, just double check and make sure you're still subscribed, because sometimes things happen. And click the bell also so you can get notifications so you won't miss any of the videos that we post, hopefully. But it's just better to always check back on the channel to see if there are any videos that you missed. So as you can see here, I am opening up this CurlKit. It just was delivered on my doorstep like 15 minutes ago. And I turned on the camera. May's CurlKit. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. You can see, but it's leaking. This is very oily. It's very oily. It's leaking. Oh. Look at that. No, box. The box is wet. All that oil, all that leakage is all on the bottom too. Oh wow. So you know, mind these short bangs of mine, they still trying to grow back. All right, the typical. We have, this is May's pamphlet. Well, look at that. All of it. All of this is gone. You see I have just this little bit right here left. That was all that was left in this bottle. I'll see what I can do about that. Hopefully they'll be willing to replace that product. This was the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Essential 7 Treatment Oil. I have this heavenly hair here. This one was also, you can see, hold on, let it focus.
I gotta take my hair back.
Okay, go back out, mommy filming. Go back and close the door and be quiet, okay? Yeah. Close the door.
Okay.
Okay. That's what it says. If you see, it's open. Right there, it was open. Hopefully none spilled out. Okay, this one's covered, so it's okay. My daughter FaceTiming me to see. Hold on. Another thing that I noticed about this one is that it was, I just screwed it on, but it was slightly off. Anyway, heavenly hair. These are the ingredients. You can screenshot it. Next up, I have Cream of Nature Curl Repair Leave-In. It smells really good and it's thick. It's really thick. Alright, next up is the Lustrous Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Smooth and Whole Edge Gel. The ingredients are here, but they kind of got wet from that oil leakage. Mystic Black Novex, I think. This is one of the featured companies in the pamphlet this month. What is this? I don't even know what this is. That's weird. I can't tell what that is. Let me go on to the next one. And last but not least, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 items in this box. Okay, and this is Adore Flourishing Scalp Nectar. Sorry about this camera, it's like cutting up. It is having problems focusing for some reason. Ingredients are here. And I am so greasy. Everything is greasy from that spill. Okay, so I figured out what this was. I had to get a flashlight.
It was by accident.
Oh. Can you girls go out and deal with it? Ask Deja to help y'all while I'm finishing the video, okay? Thank you. So this is a hair mask. You put it on your hair for 3 minutes and then rinse it out. Again, you have everything here you need for a hair day. You have the shampoo. You don't have a rinse off conditioner or nothing, but you have a hair mask. And you have your leave-in. You have your oil here. You can do this as a hot oil treatment, or you can do the lock method with this. This is for the sorry about the noise. I am a mommy, So this right here is for the scalp, and then you have something to control those edges with, possibly. Hopefully it works very well. I'm still looking for a really good edge tamer or edge holder. So I don't know if all these products would mix well together, but you know, that's another story. Okay, so shout out to everybody that has been subscribing and watching the videos, and we're thankful for all of those that help us reach 1,000 subscribers. So on May 3rd we crossed that 1,000 subscriber threshold. So woo woo, yay! So thank you to all you curlies out there, or whoever you are out there, for subscribing to the channel. Thank you, we really appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. If you didn't like it, then leave. Bye. Until next time, Lord say the same. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget, keep it curly.